In this video, we will showcase a modern pergola for your backyard or for your rooftop garden. We will go through some dimensions, and types of material used, and other options you can play with this design, and also we will try to give a basic idea of how this can be made by yourself. All you need is an entry-level technical knowledge. So let's get started. The pergola is a fantastic traditional outdoor structure for residential and commercial properties. It sets the mood, creating privacy and shade, designates dining areas, and looks picturesque in gardens. As spending time outdoors in lavish settings continues its upward trend, a pergola is fitting. Install a custom, durable modern pergola to define your landscape, add a touch of luxury, or as a natural extension of your home. Check out our plans for this pergola. If you are a builder, you can do it by yourself. Stick till the end and analyze how this inviting structure is a perfect backyard idea that heightens the enjoyment of outdoor living. Beyond inviting guests over for a backyard barbecue or dip in the pool with only open, unsheltered spaces to dine or relax. A custom pergola design offers a respite from the sun, a defined area to eat, talk and relax. Let's look at the plan. This is the top view of the platform. The length of the platform is 23 feet and 10 inches, and the breadth is 17 feet and 16 inches. At each corner, 4-inch by 4-inch square metal pipe is used as column in this pergola. Or you can also use timber as column instead of metal pipes. Let's talk about vertical height of this pergola. The clear height is approximately of 9 feet. We have double stair, one is of 6 inches and another of 4 inches. The top shade is made of timber, with outdoor treatment, and lights are run through it according to the need. The top shade is movable. You can still use glass or other roofing material if it eases your design. This is a platform. We prefer it to make it from wood. It creates a warm look for this pergola and also gives the modern design, and also lighting wire is run through it. This is the part without the shade. The distance is same as with the column. One is at 12 feet and 7 inches. And another one is at 19 feet and 10 inches. Though you can place the column according to your needs, you can take this as reference drawing in your project. Let's look at this pergola in nighttime view. If you have a deck, you may not want to fully cover it, reducing any visual breathing room to view the sky unobstructed. A solution that fits most budgets and deck designs is to add a pergola. The lights are planned in such a way that it creates a warm ambiance at nighttime, while enjoying your favorite drink and just enjoying staring at the stars. A wood pallet is provided fully at one side and one side is partially covered. A ambience light or cove light of warm nature is installed at one side of this pallet wall. It provides the focal point at nighttime. The 6-watt warm spotlight on the shade is provided in this arrangement. All measurement is given in this diagram. Adding a pergola to your property helps create defined areas for relaxing, entertaining, and gatherings. You can choose pergola kits to install along a walkway, in a garden, or over a porch, and the structure should fit your budget and lifestyle. A cove light rail can be made through WPC material or simply use a wood pallet, but make sure you colored it differently than other elements in this pergola. And also make sure you installed it at the proper height. A person sitting in front of it doesn't hide this arrangement. Pergolas and gardens have an intertwined history, as evidenced via historical accounts and romantic paintings. Keep the tradition alive and create a beautiful outdoor space. Install a small to large wooden pergola or aluminium pergola to extend over winding walkways. If you have any inquiries and suggestions, please let us know. And thank you for being such patience.